Want to play Valorant but confused where to download? I'll show you the exact steps to get Valorant safely. No scams, no extra files, just pure tactical shooter action. Open google.com, type Valorant, and click the official link, usually play valorant.com. Warning, never download from third-party sites. They often contain malware. Click the big Play Free button, select PC, ignore mobile console options, sign in with your Riot account, no account, click Make One. It's free and takes 1 minute. Run the Valorant installer, click Install, and wait. Game size approximately 25 gigabytes. Ready to clutch your first game? Drop a like. For more FPS guides, subscribe. I'll see you in Spike Rush.